Hi everyone, my Simply Gilded box for the month of October arrived and I wanted to share with you all what I got. So let's take a look. The theme for this box is Divine. Here's a little card that tells me everything inside the box. So these are new to the box and these are vellum foiled sticky notes. And I've always wanted some, so I'm excited to see these. And here's what they look like. They're transparent. People are always asking what kind of marker or pen to use on vellum sheets, so she included this pen, which is awesome and it works great on the vellum sheets. Here is the vegan leather pouch. She included 2 D-rings, so it can be worn as a purse or just hang accessories from. This is the first time I see these. These are vinyl die cut stickers and a lot of people use these and place them inside the planner pockets, or you can actually use it just as a sticker. But I think it's pretty cool. I like die cut stickers. Here is the foiled journaling card. Here is the B6 stitched notebook. Here is the acetate and vellum sheets. These actually have the zodiac signs on them, and I think the acetate sheet is really pretty. I love the way it's hollow. Here are the seals and the half sheet of stickers. So this is new, the script writing in hollow, and the date dots are so pretty. They're in like a pink hollow, really pretty. Here are the 2 full sheets of stickers. They are really pretty, loving the butterfly. Here is the pin for the month, gold with butterflies on it when it has little fine glitter on the pin itself. I wanted to show you all a close-up of the bag. It actually has the zodiac signs on it. I think it's really cute. Here is the washi for the month. I really do like the moons and the pink. Also the little glitter heart and stars. It's really pretty, and I like the butterfly one also. Here is the mystery item for the month. I always get so excited to see what the mystery item is. And it's a pin with a little bow on it, really pretty. Here is everything I received for the month of October. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.